How to track order on Allchinabuy. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to track order on Allchinabuy. So first, you just have to simply log into your account, visit the Allchinabuy website and log into your account. Now go to your orders or order history. After logging in, navigate to My Orders or Order History section of your account. This is where you can view all of your past and current orders. Now find the order you want to check. In the list of orders, locate the specific order you want to check. You should see order details like the product name, order number, and the status of the order. Next to your order details, there should be a check or track order button. Click this to open the tracking details. Also, you can copy and then I go to tracking information. So once you click on the track order, you should be able to see tracking number and the current status of the shipment. This may include details such as order, process, in transit, arrive at destination, out for delivery. You can also use the tracking number. If a tracking number is provided, you can copy this number and visit the courier's website or paste it here in parcel tracking. Lastly, contact customer support if you're unable to track your order or the tracking information is not updated. You may want to reach out to Allchinabuy's customer support, provide them with your order number and details to get assistance. Important notes: processing time. Some orders may take time to update tracking information. Check shipping method. Make sure that the shipping method you choose at checkout includes tracking, as some shipping options may not have full tracking available. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.